The background noise you hear is rain. It's raining and it's not stopping. What is in your toolbox for getting old? Mine has a piano in it and books. Far too many books, still waiting to be read. My journal, a beautiful cup of coffee. Morning, sunshine, birds, kangaroos, and of course laughter. Your toolbox may be completely different. Perhaps it is filled with friends, with grandchildren, gardening, walking, cooking, traveling, whatever has gathered meaning and joy throughout your life. Maybe one of the gifts of getting older is that by now we know a little better what makes us feel alive. And we can choose to open the toolbox and use what's there. Like watching the rain, and maybe if it doesn't stop, I even go and walk outside in the rain. It gives me joy. Join us on the new episode of Soloist Podcast, number 143 with Zohar Rotem. Getting old, highly recommended.